Okay, so let's do the next step. Next step, we're going to connect the drivetrain onto the chassis, the plate. So go ahead and go into your bag and get this plate. So you need these, and you need to get 4 screws from compartment 1, 3. So you need to get those 4 screws from compartment 1, 3. Okay. You also need to get the bushings from 2, 1. Those are this one over here. So these are the parts that you need for the next step. So you need to get this 4. Okay, so you have the plate, the screws, the bushings, and we kind of, so these are the bushings. So, and you also need the nut. So there are 4 of them on compartment 1, 4. So you got this 4 over here. So on compartment 1, 4. So this is from 1, 3. This is from 1, 4, and this is from 2, 1. Now make sure you pay close attention so you don't lose these nuts. These are very small. It's very easy to drop or something like that. So be careful with it. Okay, so the way you're going to do this is you're going to, best thing to do is use the edge of the table, okay, and it can help you. So let's say, so I'm going to move this off a little bit. Okay, suppose this is the table. Okay, imagine that this is the table, okay? And this is the edge of the table. So what you want to do is you want to put this one in here. So put 1 screw in here, okay? And you're going to put on the edge of the table like this. So slide it in, okay? And then you're going to count the next. So you're going to skip. You're going to skip holes. So you want to skip so that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So skip until you get this one right over here. So you can notice a corner like this. Okay, and go put this in here, and then you slide it in like this. Okay, so hold it, and then so now look over here. So you put this in here. So again, use the edge of the table, okay, and push in like this. So again, you hold it. You can hold like this, and then you slide it in. So that way you get all 4 screws in. Okay. Okay. Wait, backtrack. Sorry. This is supposed to go on this hole right over here. Backtrack. So take this tool out. Put it in this tool. It's the second hole. So it's the second hole, and you skip 3. The next one. So again, to use this, make sure you put this tight so you don't lose the screws. Okay, so you go like this and slide it in like this. Okay. Then your next step is you're going to put each one of these in here. Okay, put make sure you push this against the table so the screws stand up straight. Okay. Okay, so this bushing, or we call it spacer. The spacer, there are 5 of them, so some of the parts you don't use them all. Some are just extra parts in case if you have something missing. Okay. Okay, so you can make a good use of the edge of your table. Okay, your next step is you're going to put this on here. Okay, so you're going to line it up. You might have to wiggle a little bit. So this goes on like this. Okay. Now make sure the black gear is toward the back of the robot. So this is the back. Okay, so this is the back, and this is the front. So make sure the gears, if you have the wires, it kind of point toward the back. Okay. Okay. Then what you're going to do is you're going to get each one of this nut. Okay, and you're going to put over here. Now make sure you push down. Make sure you push down toward the back so the screw will stick out, and you want to use your hand to kind of put this in. Okay, so you're going to do this one here. Okay, once it catch, you're gonna, so don't tighten it up yet. Okay, so once it catch, you come over here on the front side. Again, you want to push down. Okay, push down. Now make sure you don't tighten this too much, or else you won't be able to push it down. Then you're gonna have a hard time to put this on. Okay, so put this over here. Okay, make sure that you tighten in enough so that this doesn't come loose. Okay, so once you've done that, okay, then what you want to do is you're going to flip over. Then you have to line up. Make sure this thing is not crooked. Okay, now way to line up is, you notice, use the edge of the mortar. Notice that there's an edge over here. Use the edge to line up with the plate. Okay, and you want to push the plate all the way forward or all the way backward. That way it helps you to kind of align. Okay, so you can line it up evenly. Okay, then you're going to start to tighten all 4 screws. Okay, and make sure you put your finger in the back. Make sure the finger is in the back holding the nut so it doesn't keep turning. Okay, so go and tighten that. Okay, don't over tighten. So you can put the finger in the back to hold the nut so it doesn't spin. Okay, so tighten that. Don't over tighten. Make sure it's snug but not over tightened. So you don't want to strip the nuts. Okay, so you can tighten that. Okay, tighten that.